Today class is about framing new sentences. Frame a sentence. There will be a question, so you have to change a set of sufficient in each of the sentences. First, you can change the subject word or you can change the verb word. The workers are on strike. Here, you have to change a set of word. Instead of the workers, you can add the doctors are on strike or the teachers are on strike. You can change either the subject. The laborers are paid well in this factory. So instead of the laborers, you can add the workers or the engineers are on strike. There is a restroom for the workers. Here you can change, instead of for the workers, you have to change the subject. So here the workers stands for the subject, so you can change as a the women staff. These are launched the new products. Okay, so new products have been launched, so or introduced. Instead of launched, you can use introduced. Almost everyone came to the company on motorbikes, so no one came. Almost everyone stands for your subject. You have to change the subject, so you can give no one. Instead of the subject word, you have to create a new subject word and change the sentence. So here are the answers. The first one, the engineers are on strike. Second, the laborers are paid less in the factory. There is a restroom for the women staff. There are new products introduced. No one came to the company on motorbikes. Second pattern, same. We work for the society instead of we work for our company. Society stands for the all the people, so you can change company. They introduced new techniques for the efficiency, so you can add give importance or latest moderns, like anything. Wearing helmet is compulsory. Instead of helmet, you can use the word gloves. Our company announces bonus for the employees. So our company, instead of company, you can give your company name like TVS, Ashok Leyland. Labor law are followed strictly in our company. So safety standards are followed strictly in our company. First aid are followed strictly in our company. So these are the kind of category. You have to change a group of sufficient word, and instead of that you have to add a new word. It should be. Here are the answers. We work for our company, or the police work for the society. You can change like that. Second one, they introduce new techniques for efficiency. For instead of that, I have given here, they give importance to the new techniques for efficiency. Wearing helmet is compulsory. I have given here wearing gloves is compulsory, or wearing helmet is not compulsory. You can write like that. Our company announces bonus for the employees. So TVS announces bonus for the employees. Ashok Leyland announces bonus for the employees, or a company announces incentive for the employees. Labor law are followed strictly in a company. So instead of labor law, you can use safety standards are followed strictly in a company, or labor laws are not applied strictly in a company. Labor laws are followed strictly in Tamil Nadu. You can change like that. Model 3, the supervisor inquired the workers. Instead of the supervisor, you can give the manager, or instead of inquired, you can have summoned. The industry is shut down for the May Day. You can, instead of industry, you can give the bank. New methods are introduced in the company. Instead of new methods, you can use new techniques. Gopi works in the first shift. Instead of Gopi, you can give Neela. We manufacture bolts and nuts. Instead of we manufacture bolts and nuts, you can say Ramki and Sons manufacture bolts and nuts, or we market bolts and nuts. Here are the answers. Summoned the bank, effective management, Neela, Ramki and Sons. Again I repeat, the supervisor summoned the workers. The bank is shut for the May Day. Efficient management principles are introduced in the company. Neela works in the first shift. Ramki and Sons manufacture the bolt. So thank you. Kindly copy down in this in your note and practice.